how to become a millionaire by age 25. So what is the answer on Google? So as you can see, there's loads of answers and videos and blogs, countless, tens and tens of pages, probably by people who are not a millionaire and did not become a millionaire by age 25. But let's see what Google says. The top of Google says, can you become a millionaire at 25? It says, if you start making money at 16 years old, you need to earn $305 per day to make it to $1 million by 25. Starting at 18, when you graduate high school, means you would need to earn £391 per day to make it to $1 million by 25. I feel like just absolutely pulling my hair out. So, okay, great maths. What's the actual advice here? Is the advice to leave school at 16 and make £305 a day and to just do that every day until you're 25 and then you're a millionaire? Well, that is the worst advice that I've ever heard about money or being a millionaire. Let me tell you why that is completely and utterly flawed. Number one, because you're going to have to work every single day, Saturdays and Sundays with 0 holidays for every day for however many years, like 9 years. That is not possible. I don't think anybody can work every single day with 0 holidays and for 9 years. It's not taking into account weekends or any holidays or times off or sick time. So it's going to be considerably less than $1 million because you're not going to work every single day. Second massive flaw observation in this is that's assuming that you spend nothing to live, right? Because if you're making £305 a day and you do that every day for 9 years, you're not a millionaire because what are you going to have done for the 9 years? Just lived off of thin air? Bruh. Paid no rent, not eaten anything? That's just massively flawed. Probably half of that or close is going to go towards your food, accommodation, and everything. And then the third reason it's completely flawed is what 16-year-old can just go, oh, okay then, and just start making $305 a day. That with no skills, with no, it's just absolute horse poo, manure. It's just terrible advice. So what advice would I give as someone who actually did become a millionaire from scratch by age 25? I was a millionaire at age 25. So what advice would I give to a 16-year-old? Well, I did not work every single day for 9 years and make £305 a day and live off thin air. What I did was I learned about business. If you want to be a millionaire by age 25, you're going to have to learn about business. You can't start making £305 straight away. You need to be thinking, instead of about tomorrow or next week, you need to be thinking about next year. So when you start out in business, rather than trying to work for £305 a day, you should be working probably for free. You should be working for free in exchange for experience about business. You should be, to begin with, within the first year of starting out in your journey to become a millionaire, you should be training, educating yourself, learning about business, trading your time for experience and growing yourself, because you're not going to become a millionaire unless you have a millionaire mindset, brain, and a millionaire skills. So the first thing is forget saving, forget trying to make $305 a day, forget working every day, and forget that. Become valuable. That's the very first thing. Second thing is, once you become valuable and you've learned a business, is you need to understand how to value a business. The fastest way you're going to become a millionaire is through business. And that could be a property business. Property investment is a business. But how's business valued? If you want your business, your company to be worth £1 million net, you need to understand how it's valued. And here's how business is valued. Generally speaking, it depends on the business, but they will take your annual profit of your business and they will then times that by 10. And if your business is functioning only with you in it, so if you're having to be involved in your business will be valued at 0. If your business is systemed without you, if you've created a business that's giving you passive income, then your business they'll take your annual profit and they'll times that by 5 to 10, depending on the business and how systemized it is. So in other words, if you've got a business, it's completely systemized and it's making you £100,000 a year, that business might be valued up to £1 million net. Yippee! So you've got £1 million business. So if you want to do that, what are you going to need to do? Well, you're going to need to start a business, and you're going to need to learn how to replace yourself. You're going to need to learn how to systemize the business. Here's the fastest way to systemize a business. Let's say my business was deal sourcing. That's how I became a millionaire. Deal sourcing was packaging deals and selling those deals onto investors for a fee. I was the broker, the middleman, making £3,000 or £5,000 every time I sold a deal. I was selling around about 2 to 3 deals a week. And then I employed a couple people to come and run my business. I had a manager, I had a finance manager, I had an operations manager over the business, and I stepped back and the business was running without me. So what you need to do is you need to have a organizational structure. Every single job that you do within your business, you need to write down every job, create a training manual for your business, put your name next to every single job, and then slowly start replacing your name. This is what you need to learn about. Business, systemization, finance, marketing, sales, tax. This is how you're going to become a millionaire. Adding value, working for free, and grow. I left school with no qualifications really. I had 3 GCSEs and they weren't great. So I started from nothing, and I learned about business, and I learned about creating value, and I learned about real estate and property and investments. And by the age of 25, I was a millionaire. So forget working for £300 and $300 a day and saving up, and that's not the goal. That's garbage advice. Learn about business. So if you've got questions for me in terms of business, then comment below and I'll do my best to answer your questions in future videos. If you want to come and spend a day with me at the Property Millionaire Intensive, where I'm actually going to show you how to become a millionaire through business and through property, then I've got some tickets available. They are free tickets, but they're very limited. So book now in the description. Also, if you want to see a playlist of lots of people that I've helped become financially independent and some of them become millionaires through property, check out the whole playlist here. Come to the Property Millionaire Intensive. I'll leave a link right here, and I'll see you guys next time.